Eldrigu Namaskara. Hello everyone. Welcome to World Education Center. My name is Kaushalya Machke. Today's video is about study MBBS in Russia. Russia is one of the popular and favorite country for Indian students for studying MBBS abroad. Whoever wants to study MBBS abroad or whoever is in search of MBBS abroad, they will definitely keep Russia as their favorite list, as Russia is one of the best country, and Russia and India's relationship has always been very good, and Russia even has a good history of recruiting Indian students, not today or yesterday. The Indian students are going to Russia from 1950 when Russia was into Soviet Russia, and from 1950 students are going and they are studying MBBS and all that, and that time it was free education for Indian students. They never used to charge anything for Indian students, and once they come back there used to be no MCI screening test and all that. So from those days students are going to Russia. Of course, Russia has a good experience of teaching Indian students, and they have quality education, they have best universities. Definitely Russia should be in your list when you're choosing MBBS in Russia. But there are only two things which you need to know before choosing MBBS in Russia. First thing is medium of instruction, and the second thing is the universities which are teaching in English medium. Only research about these two things, then you are done and you can definitely go to Russia and study MBBS. As you start searching, you will be searching in the YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Google, everywhere you're searching about the university, and you end up getting a lot of information about a lot of university. Russia has 58 universities. Out of that, there are only 20% of the universities are teaching in English medium. So the first thing you need to know about medium of instruction. When there are only 20% of the universities are teaching in English medium, you need to be very careful. They have bilingual medium courses, they have Russian medium courses, they have English medium courses. Bilingual medium courses in the sense, first 3 years, the degree is going to be 6 years, and the first 3 years they will teach you in English medium. After that, they are going to teach you in complete English, Russian medium. That means the clinical subject after 3 years, whatever you are going to study, everything will be in Russian medium, and you need to give the test also in the Russian medium. So please ensure you don't go by your whatever the advertisement you're seeing, or somebody is studying there, your friend or your relative or your neighbor, somebody is studying or somebody is recommend you to go to that particular university. Don't choose by that way. Please ensure choose from the authentic source. And second thing is Russian medium. Russian medium is the complete 6-year course is going to be in Russian medium, and the third one is complete English medium course. So this is what you need to choose. So you need to choose the university which are completely teaching in English medium. That means from first year to 6th year, your education should be in English medium. Please make sure you choose these universities so that you don't get into any trap of going to Russian medium or bilingual courses, because it's going to be very difficult for you. Once you come back, you need to give MCI screening test and all that, and that exam you're going to give it in English. So in case if you study in Russian medium or bilingual medium, you need to be facing a lot of problem to clear that test. So please ensure you choose the university which are there in English medium. But how to choose university which are there in English medium? How will I know that university is teaching in English medium? First thing, you can go to the university website and check what is the medium of instruction. In the university website only, it will be clearly mentioned the medical program, whether it is in English medium or Russian medium or bilingual medium. And the second thing is very authentic sources, WDOMS, World Directory of Medical Schools. Log into WDOMS website. So this is the website where you're going to find all the university details across the globe. So just go to the WDOMS website, just choose a country and choose the university, and this search will give you the entire information, and where is this university located, and what is the medium of instruction, when this university has started, every information you will get. There are some universities where Indian students are going They are not even there in WTOMS. Please be aware of that kind of universities, because the consultants are not going to tell you, and you have to choose for yourself. You don't let somebody else choose the university for you, a consultant choose the university for you, or your family members choose the. Of course, your family will be choosing you best, but some people you will not. Sometimes you will not even know like how to get the authentic information, or what is the neutral source I need to see, and where I. So WTOMS is the website which belongs to WHO, and as you all know, WHO is the governing body for global healthcare sector, and this website will give you the authentic information. Please ensure you check from this website. It's not only about Russia. Any university you choose from the world, please make sure whether this is listed in WTOMS, so that you will know that whether this university, if it is listed in WTOMS, that means the university education will be good, and the quality will be good, and it will have all necessary accreditation as well, so that in future you won't face any problem. So please ensure these are things you need to keep in mind before choosing Russia. And the second thing is the best universities which are teaching in English medium. There are few universities which I'm going to name you now, which are completely in English medium, as I know. So please ensure that you choose the university from this list. And also there are some more university from other than this list as well. If you want those information, please do contact us, contact our admission desk, and we have best counselor. They are going to choose the best university for you, and the best university which best facility, and which are ideal for Indian students. Or you can also directly talk to me or WhatsApp me, so that I would definitely give you all the information. Or if you want me to make a video on particular university or particular details, please do comment below, so that I would make a video for you. And now which are the university which are teaching in English medium? The first thing is Pergov State Medical University, which is there in Moscow, and the Kazan State Medical University, Kazan Federal Medical University, Far Eastern Medical University, Volgograd Medical University, and IM Sechnova Moscow State Medical University, and St. Petersburg Medical University, and Crimean Federal Medical University. And these are some of the universities which are teaching Indian students in complete English medium. Please make sure you choose the best university, and you choose the university which are there from this particular list. And there are some more universities as well which are teaching in English medium. So please contact us, so that we will tell you which are the best universities other than this for Indian students. So this is about today. Hope you like this video. Hope this was been very helpful and very informative, because this is the information which you must know before choosing MBBS in Russia. Of course, Russia is the best country for studying MBBS, no doubt about it. But make sure these are the points you keep in mind before choosing Russia. That's about it for the day. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please share it with all your friends and family, so that this is going to be helpful for anybody who's looking to study in Russia. Thank you so much. Namaste.